Okay, everyone, let's put it all together now that we've finished talking about Newton's second law and the major forces acting on a rocket so that we can now launch and analyze our rockets. To launch a rocket, we must unbalance the forces of weight and drag with the force of thrust so that the rocket will move in a direction contrary to the weight and the thrust, which is upward towards space, completing the mission. The thrust must be greater than the weight for the rocket to lift off. And there's no drag at liftoff because the rocket is at zero velocity, as in it's not moving. The drag, if you remember, is proportional to the speed of the object or the rocket. So there's no drag at liftoff. So here in our graphic, we have the weight pulling the rocket down and the thrust pushing it up. And the thrust must be greater than the weight. So the direction of the motion at liftoff is up. Once the rocket starts moving, drag forces are added, and that increases the resistance of the rocket on its motion to outer space. So the thrust must continue to push harder and harder until the rocket is out of the atmosphere, fighting those effects of weight and drag to complete the mission with maximum rocket power. So here's a concept question now that we know how to put it all together. Can a rocket accelerate in a different direction than it's moving? What would that look like? Think about it.